Just a very quick update. As you can see, the lights on the bridge on the right side from the front and the bridge on the left side from the front. The lights are all working. What I've been doing is printing the railings, the concrete railings for the bridges, and I've had to redo a couple of them because they weren't, they didn't fit quite right. So, but anyway, this is just a kind of a test fit, and I've left the brim on, which is that little skirt around the bottom, to be able to be easier for me to paint. What's interesting with the new printer, I've been able to do, this is a continuous print, this one here. And first time I put the extension, there's a slight extension down over here. I accidentally put it here and it took me all of about 3 minutes to fix that. But anyway, next thing to do is to paint the concrete railings and then glue them down. So, but anyway, that's it for this time. So, but anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.